Did you know that right now you might be carrying up to 9 kilograms of toxic waste inside your colon? It sounds shocking, but many experts estimate that a clogged colon is the hidden root cause of fatigue and weight gain. If you constantly feel bloated, heavy, or struggle to lose belly fat, your digestion is likely stuck in a toxic cycle. All diseases begin in the gut, and holding on to waste means your body is reabsorbing toxins into your bloodstream every single day. Today, I am sharing a powerful 3-ingredient natural recipe that has helped thousands of people finally find relief. This isn't just a random mixture. We are using specific ingredients that target the most stubborn constipation and bloating. The first ingredient is 15 dried prunes, which are famously known as nature's broom for a very good reason. Prunes are rich in fiber and contain sorbitol, a natural sugar that pulls water into the bowel to soften the stool. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of seedless raisins, which provide essential acids to stimulate the stomach lining and speed up digestion. The third and most critical ingredient is 1 full tablespoon of flax seeds, which acts as a lubricant for your intestines. When flax seeds touch water, they create a gel-like substance called mucilage that helps waste slide out of your body painlessly. Here is exactly how to prepare it. Put the 15 dried prunes, 2 tablespoons of raisins, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds into a blender. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. The warmth is crucial to activate the ingredients and relax your gut muscles. Blend everything on high speed until you get a smooth, thick consistency that looks similar to a dark fruit smoothie. Do not add any extra sugar or sweeteners because the dried fruits already provide all the natural sweetness you need. Listen closely because this is the most important part. You must drink this mixture on an empty stomach for maximum effect. After drinking the smoothie, you must immediately drink another large glass of plain warm water to help the fiber expand. Without that extra water, the high fiber content could actually block you up further, so hydration is absolutely key here. This mixture provides over 20 grams of fiber and natural laxatives in a single dose, so it works very quickly. I strongly recommend you stay close to a bathroom for the next 2 to 4 hours after drinking this. Most people report a massive release within just a few hours, feeling significantly lighter and seeing a flatter stomach instantly. If you have chronic health issues, please consult your doctor, but for most people, this is the ultimate natural reset button. Your body is designed to cleanse itself, but sometimes it just needs the right fuel to start the engine. Try this recipe tonight or first thing tomorrow morning and come back to tell me how much better you feel. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and share it with a friend who struggles with bloating. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a natural health remedy that actually works.